Hey, Rudy here, 10th of December. Welcome to the Daily Ninja Show. The girlfriend requested that intro music to reflect how she's feeling, but we'll get on to her later. So starting with the tank, it was up 1% today. So this 20-day moving average line seems to be a bit of support now that we can build some patterns. The Australian share market was flat, and it's got a bit of resistance here at the 20-day, and that's reflected from, so this is the financials index, the XFJ. So you can see we're not looking very bullish for our financial sector. So the tank is where you want to be. America, S&P 500, they got their interest rate decision tonight, so everyone thinks they're going to drop rates, so that's still steady as she goes. Nasdaq, steady as she goes. Okay, gold, so gold's just chilling, so it's letting silver take the spotlight for the moment. Aussie dollar gold chilling. Our gold index, so this is our gold miners index, starting to get its giddy up. The miners, so that's the candle there. We'll do a daily chart. So it started its move up. Probably just waiting for that gold price to break before it takes out the highs. That's GDX. So if you look at some of the holdings, we've got Newmont, Agnico, and Northern Star gets a gig in there. So Northern Star's, what's that daily? So there's the daily 20. If we look at GDXJ, so that's coiling there. It's the one with our gold miners in it. So that was a nice candle last night. So that was led by Pan America. Giddy up that one. Alamos getting ready. And Evolution, nice green candle to new highs there. And I'll just have a look at not all of our gold stocks, just the ones that made over 5% today. So Alkane still looks good. Was up 6. BC8 was up 5.8. The old giddy up KCN, Saudi Cup, bit of silver in there. Remelius was up 6. SBM, so that was up 10, and we had West Gold was up 5. Funnily, all the small producers didn't do anything today. In the developers, we had Challenger, LRV, they still, and MAU. Those last three still look good to go. Okay. So copper. Okay, so the copper price is just coming back to test resistance. So that's all good. So the wire ETF, all good. So some of the holdings in there. So Freeport, all good. Anto, well, you can see they're all just waiting for the starter's gun. Southern Copper and Tech, they're giddy up. In terms of our boys, BHP, oh, looks very nice. Sandfire, same. Capstone, same, they're all ready to go. CopJ, same, looking ready to go. If you are fishing over there in America, this is a royalty company. I don't mind. MTA, gold, silver, and copper. If you're into royalty companies. So back home, DVP is coming. I reckon that's, what's the daily chart? Yeah, I reckon if you can pick him up and you haven't got him around here, would be a good buy. 29M just chilling. CY5 getting a bit of buying now. Hot chili. There's a nice candle there. Went down here for the week and then up. PSC. So PSCs are knocking on that resistance level there. Uranium. So spot price just hanging there at 76, sorry. URNM. So just doing some chilling. So that's Kamiko. Well, that looks like he's ready to go. Kaza. So Kaza's coming for a pullback, so he'll find a bottom somewhere there. Split. So it just tracks the spot price. URNJ. Okay, so that's chilling too, finding support, so that's good. So big holding, that's UEC. That looks very tasty. Palladium. So UEC looks a lot better. Boss. Bannerman. Doesn't look too bad. And DYL going for resistance. Nice. What's the rare earth gang doing? Okay, so REMX, that looks nice. About to take out resistance. Linus. Geez, it can't have that update, can it? Oh well, we've got some late buying. I reckon, yeah, as soon as you get a green candle on a daily, it'll be a good MP doing nothing. Luca. Geez, this rare earth space. There's another, that's the next level. Geez. Well. So lithium. So lithium's futures price. So it's come off a little bit, but it's still up. Lit P. It's going for that resistance line. PLS, it's going for that resistance line. IGO, a bit more timid. Oh, Line Town looks like it's going to do it. So lithium's still hot. Elevate, that's getting its giddy up now. AGY looks good. AZI looks good, hasn't done anything yet. CXO, that's looking like it wants to go. GLN, INR getting ready. How's Mr. Vulcan? There, he looks exactly the opposite, doesn't he? He's going to get punished. Oil. So daily chart. So oil's coming off. It was being bought up around here, so it's still, I think, long term, it's the way to go. Natural gas is pulling back. If you look at it weekly, so that's a pretty severe pullback, but it needed to. Look how far it run. So should find some support around here. Let's see. So Woodside, what's he doing? The big fella. That doesn't look healthy. Where's his next level of support? Down there. Oh well, it might be an A, B, C. Oh well. Coming back to, no, it won't come back down here. Fuel. No, just chilling. Okay. So the girlfriend. So we should take a look at her. So this is a 3 monthly chart, and I get those black lines out of the way, Rudy. Okay, so she got squeezed. I hope those shorts are really hurting. Anyway, so we had that consolidation and break. Looks fine. So the target, short-term target price. So we've got the depth of this cup, or the flag pole and the flag, and they both take us to up here, 64. Doesn't mean you sell. That's where that would be a good effort. Because long term, she's going to go higher. If we look at the gold to silver ratio, so that's now. So that was confirmed, yes. So silver is going to outperform gold now. You can see we're a long way to go down here. Zinc, that's chilling. Lead, still not doing much. ATP mag, geez, it's not bad for a little rock, isn't it? When I started this channel, I didn't start in December. I started in March, April. Anyway, that was the May. Anyway, 40 to 80 just for buying a rock. Not bad. Silj. So I think everyone's a bit nervous whether this was real for the silver price. But once, I think tonight she'll smash through that, and we can see the underlying, well, even that Silj over silver ratio. So Silj's got a lot of room to move there. So if you look at Heckler, so it's down and up, so that's got room to move. First Majestic, Endeavour, so they're nowhere near their highs. I'll take them. Aya, so that's in XMET too, I think. Okay, we're just looking, going down the list. So XMET. So I guess it's waiting for that Silj to break, because all those, I'm surprised this didn't break today, because copper and lithium, copper were just hanging too. Yeah, so I reckon this week that will break. Okay, if we look at our boys, so Pole, so they all sort of open up, and then people that wanted to get out got out. My Kitchen Rules, BHM, BML, so that finished on its highs. MMA, SVL. So there's probably a whole bunch of people here that, oh, AVM, look at that. That was a strong candle. AQI, AS Andean, nice candle. BKB, that's no good. LDR, West Coast Eagles, Ardent, ILT, IVR, Sun Silver, and sell. Alright, that's the daily wrap. Well done to those in silver, so it looks like it'll be a good week. So see you tomorrow.